Welcome to my demo on our mycatalog service from promocorner.com. I'd like to thank you for attending this and watching this video. mycatalog through promocorner.com allows you to actually create your own digital catalog or presentations utilizing flyers and catalog pages from various vendors. So you're not limited to a single catalog from a single vendor or a single flyer from a single vendor. This allows you to actually build a completely customized catalog with the pages that you choose. So to begin, you're going to go to promocorner.com, and at the top of the screen you'll see a link for My Catalog, and you can click on that. You will be required to log into your account in order to be able to access the service, and this is so that we can store a lot of your personalization and keep your catalogs active for you. So you just click and log in. That'll bring you right to your My Catalog page from where you can begin creating catalogs. Now I already have 3 created here. Chances are you won't have any, and as a result you'll just see the new create new catalog link. Very easy, just click on that, and we're going to give our catalog a name, and you will give your catalog a brief description. Enter those in there, and when you're done you just click create, and once you do that you'll notice you have a blank catalog here. You can further edit that if you wanted to by clicking on the edit name, description, or delete, or you can begin adding pages to it by simply clicking on the catalog itself. By doing so, we will bring up our catalog generator tool. And basically the generator tool allows you to build your catalog by selecting vendor catalog pages, by searching through vendor catalogs for particular keywords, or using our current promo flash flyers, the client safe version as well, and you can put those in your catalog. So lots of different options. So to begin with, if I just select a vendor and I go down here, and I'm always partial to Bay State Specialty Company, I can pull up their full line catalog, click on display pages, and what will end up happening is down below here you'll now see all of their pages. So you can see every single one of the pages that's in the full line Bay State catalog, and this would be true of any vendor. So to get started, all you need to do is simply click on the Add Page button that's below every catalog page. If you need a closer view, you can click the Preview button, and that'll pull up a much better view. But to get started, I'm going to add some press lights from Bay State, put those in there, and let's put some LED lights as well. Of course, you probably spend more time on this. Purposes of this demo, I'll just kind of move through here. And then since I've got a theme of flashlights, let's go to my Build Catalog by Keyword tab by clicking on that, and let me put in flashlights as a keyword. Now when I click Display Pages, it will take a second or two as it searches through all of the catalogs that we currently have, and we're, I believe, around 395 unique vendor catalogs that we're searching. Now as those results come up, they come up in the box, and what we'll do is provide you with who the supplier is, since we're now searching by keyword and we don't necessarily know who it is. So I know this is Akron Lines, and I can see some flashlights here, and as I go down I'll see other ones. Obviously Bay State comes up, and then Beacon Promotions has some LED flashlights that are also coming up as well. So what I'm going to do is, let's just go back to Akron here, and let's select some of these pages. So I'll select that one, and I'll select that one, and I'll select that one. Finally, our last choice is to build catalogs using our Promo Flash flyers. Again, I will click on that and give me a search box, and let's see if we have, I'm going to put in LED and see what that comes up with. Now the search feature is generic, so any word that contains that LED will come up. So sometimes you may have to be a little bit more detailed in exactly what it is that you are looking for. So let's get that in there and see if I have any flyers that match the criteria of flashlight. And I do. I have another one from Bay State, so I'll go ahead and add that. So I've added that. I have a good selection here. Again, this might be something that you create for a presentation for a client where you know specifically what you're showing. You'd probably more likely use the keyword tool. If you were putting together your perfect catalog, you would probably select it vendor by vendor and put in pages that way. But so I've got a decent start here for a catalog. The next step, and this is optional, is to sort the pages. This will present me with the current order in which my pages will be presented. So if I like, I can move these. I simply drag and hold and move, and as I do that, my catalog will automatically resort itself, so I can put this one up top. The minute I let go, that will now save itself, so I don't have to do any saving. That has been taken care of. So the next step was to add a personalized cover and to make this catalog really my own, and that's step 3 in personalize. As you come in here, any catalog covers that you've already created will be shown. Chances are you will not have any catalog covers created yet, so down below you will see all of our stock designs. This is just a brief selection, and you're more than welcome to email us your suggestions if there's a certain design or look that you're looking for, and we'd be more than happy to look for those and see if we can't get them added to our library of stock designs. So for this one, I'm just going to click on this one right here. By doing so, I'm going to open up that stock cover in our design software that we utilize from Pixlr. This is a full image editor plugin. It doesn't require any installation. It all runs online, but it's very easy to use. So the first thing I can do is I can add text, and I'll use the little text type tool down here. I click kind of where I want my text to come up, and then I start typing. I can change the font that I utilize. These will show you all the fonts that you currently have on your computer, so I can choose any font that I'd like. I can then drag this around and put it wherever I like. I can change the color if I wanted to add like a dark green or something like that. I can really have the whole gamut of colors available to me. Simply click OK, and now I've added that text, and I can continue to move that around. In addition, I can also size it, so I can make it bigger, and as I do that, you'll see it kind of goes off, but simply just move that back to where I would like it. Now, of course, I want to add my logo, so I will go to the Layer menu, and I will go to Open Image as Layer, and what this does is we'll put my logo on top of the current image. So I'm just going to grab a standard one that I have on my computer for connections, just to demonstrate this, and I can again drag this. I could resize it. I can put it wherever I'd like to have it. You'll notice that these things, the images and the text that you put in, will come in as layers, and so if you ever need to get back to those layers or edit them or edit your text, you're simply going to go to your layers, find the correct layer, and then edit from there. So once we're done, basically just going to go to File, and we'll go to Save. It'll default to promocorner.com, which means that we'll save your image to your user file, and I just simply click OK, and once that's done, it'll pop up my screen, and now I will see that there is my cover that I just created. So now I just need to select it for this catalog by clicking on it. So now I have a cover. I've selected all my pages, I've sorted them. The last thing I need to do is simply share my catalog. There is a link to view your catalog, how your client would see it, and then we also provide you with an admin link. And the admin link contains information regarding each supplier for each page in your catalog, and then that way you can find information or order samples. When you add a lot of pages, it may be hard to remember whose pages you've added, so this is a nice feature. So if I go ahead and I click on my catalog, it'll load up. Here's my custom cover with the information that I put on it, and I can simply use the arrow buttons to move through this catalog. A unique and kind of intriguing feature about the My Catalog program, this is a never-ending catalog, so when you get to the last page, it'll automatically go back to the first page. So that's a great feature. If I go back, I can also go, and just to show you, this is my admin copy, and when I have my admin copy, you'll see that there's a special link here. Now this isn't for your client, this is for you, where I can then get supplier information by simply clicking on that. So after that, there's links to information, so you can add a link to your website. If you want to get into the embed code, you can actually embed your My Catalog right on your website, so people never leave your website and can view it right there. There's links to add it to your social networks, and in fact, we've even created a version that is a mobile phone or smartphone version ready. It displays one image at a time on your phone and allows them to move through your catalog by simply touching the screen and moving things. A neat feature too is that we even give you a QR code generator, so you could print out this QR code, put put it on your business materials like your business cards or letterhead, and then when your clients get that, they could scan that with their smartphone and go right to your catalog. So that is my catalog, just a quick little demo. There's so many different things that you could do with this. Again, great for creating your perfect promotional products catalog, perfect for creating presentations for your clients, something completely unique and different from promocorner.com. Thank you for watching.